Here, boys. Hi, boys. Tank and Sabo. Come on. Sabo is the bigger one. He was born 2 weeks earlier. He's out of Raven in Tuvia, January 12th. And Tank is out of Navina in Tuvia, January 26th. He's the smaller of the two because he's 2 weeks younger. Both of their ears are looking really good. They're cropped and posted. Tank got you a little stick. Both gonna make really big, strong dogs. They both go back to Nevin, Flipperland. And their daddy's really large. Come on, boys. This is Sabo. Sabo. Tank. Come on. Come on, boys. Come on. This is Tank on the left, now on the back side. Come on, boys. Where's your toys? Where's your toys, huh? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, boys. Good boys. Hi, Sabo. Hi, Sabo. Come on. You want your toy? You want the toy? Tank's got the toy. Tank has the toy. Come on. Their daddy Tuvia is 32 inches tall and 140 pounds. Uncle Zeus is 32 inches, 140 pounds. Come on. Grandpa Nevin was 30 inches and 140 pounds. Hi, Sabo. You can see his little cowlick in his forehead now. Beautiful head on this dog. Come here. That's Tank in the frame now. Nice deep rust markings on both of these boys. Tank and Sabo. Sabo is the shell fired out of the tanks. Come on. In the military. Come on. Ah, pretty boy. Found something to pull. They love carrying things around. Get the limb now. Both move really pretty. Nice, snappy movement. Sabo on the left. Tank. Come on. Sabo. Tank. Sabo again with the toy. Tank is actually the boss. Tank came up with it again. He's the boss. That's Tank. And pretty Sabo. Hey, pretty Tank.